Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to increase and decrease the state value by using Redux ToolKit in React.js. Yeah, let's start. So we need to install this Redux ToolKit and react-redux in our project. So install that. In my case, I already installed the two plugins. Yeah, let's start. So I'm going to use these four files, okay? First, this is for action, another one is for provider, this is for reducer, and final one is store, okay? So first I'm going to create a reducer. So const count reducer and create slice. This create slice is coming from this toolkit, okay? So after that I'm going to give one name. This is counter, and another one is initial state. Initial state is 0, and I'm going to add a reducer. Inside this reducers I'm going to create two functions. One is for increment, state plus 1, okay? I'm going to duplicate this one for decrement, okay? Decrement, and I'm going to minus this. Our reducer is ready. We need to export this reducer and action, okay? So first I'm going to export const. I'm going to export this two function, okay? Increment and decrement. It is coming from this count reducer dot actions, okay? Another one is export default and this count reducer dot reducer, okay? Our reducer is ready. We exported action and reducer. Now I'm going to create store, this one. So const store configure store, sorry, it is coming from toolkit, and here I'm going to create add a reducer. Inside this reducer, just go to reducer and copy this name and paste here and colon and this function name, okay? This reducer name is counter, and this is what we exported, so we need to import that here. So import this from this reducer, okay? Yeah, we imported our reducer. Now our store is ready. We need to export this store. Export default and that store. Our store is also ready, okay? Now I'm going to create provider. Before that, I just create a dummy inputs, okay? Here RFC, and it will give some main code. Here I'm going to add a button. This is for another one is for decrement. This is for increment and this is for decrement, okay? Now our button is ready, and first I save this, and now I want to create a provider, okay? Again RFC, type enter, and here I'm going to add a provider. It is coming from Redux, okay? And I'm going to close this. I'm going to import this action file, okay? This action file here, and we need to pass this store here, okay? Store, and we need to pass that store, and we need to import that, okay? Then only we can able to pass. Now our provider is also ready. Here we created our increment and decrement button, so we need to dispatch value, okay? So I'm going to add on click. Before that I need to create a dispatch. Use dispatch, it is coming from Redux, okay? React Redux. and copy this, paste it here. We need to dispatch increment and decrement function. It is coming from reducer. Okay, we already exported here, and go here and paste that and import that, this one. Okay, place your mouse at the end, you just control and space, it will suggest the importation path. Okay, and then I just copy this and paste here and go to reducer, and I need to copy this and paste it here, and we need to import this too. Okay, it is imported, and we need to consider this as a function because this is reducer function. Yeah, now our reducer is ready. We dispatched these values, and now we need to get the store value. Okay, so I'm going to create a selector const count is use selector. It is also coming from Redux. See here, inside this state dot, go to reducer, and we need to copy this because the value is present inside this state dot count, counter. Copy this and I just print here. I just put this in h1 tag. Yeah, now our Redux integration is completed. We need to see the UI. So first just copy this, and I'm going to index.js, paste here, and I just importing. It is imported here. Yeah, this is our UI. See, if I click increment, value is increasing. If I click decrement, value is decreasing. If I add this to 2 and this to 2 means, I just refresh the screen. If I click increment, value is increasing plus 2. Okay, yep, this is what I try to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.